Hi everyone, welcome back to the craft room. I'm Leslie and today I am going to do a viewer request. I am doing makeup number 1 for my Wednesday hopping into spring. It's a collaboration between myself and Rosie. I will link her channel down below, wherever below is. Where is it? Would it be here? Would it be here? I don't know. I'm going to put her channel on the screen so that you can head over and see what she's creating each Wednesday in the month of March as we hop into spring. So someone asked, what can you do with seed packets? And I sat and I thought, and I said, well, I know that one thing that Crafty Girl does often is she takes them and hot glues them to a string and makes a garland out of them. But I thought, what if I could make a card using mine? So I thought, let's save the seeds and we'll plant those out back later on this spring, probably in April, because we got some crazy weather still coming through. And, you know, you just never know. You never know in Virginia when winter is truly over. Alright, so that is empty. So I have a card here, just a pre-made card, and I thought, what if I could like put this on here and then maybe put a Happy Easter on there. Do we want to cover this? If we do, what do we want to cover it with? We do not know. So I'm going to cut off this back since we're not going to use that. I don't want to have to glue that down just to get this to work. Okay. So let's just glue that down. This is just a quick and easy 5-minute card that you can do. I just wanted to show a way that you could take anything and repurpose anything and make a card or a garland or a little book or whatever. So this is a good way to be sure that you are not adding to the trash in the landfill. You're repurposing it, well, until somebody throws the card away, I suppose. But for now, you're doing your part by saving it from going to. And what's even better, we have a pocket now. So that's fun. We can stuff that pocket with something. All right. So I'm going to do that. Then I want to take my Happy Easter and I want to put it up on foam just to make it pop a little bit. So I have this foam from the dollar store that I got, double-sided foam tape. Got it a while ago. Cut it right there. And we'll cut it right there. And peel off the backing. Maybe. I just think that is adorable. You can leave it like that, or let's see if I can find a quick tag or make a tag. We can put it down in there. here. I could take this and cut it down to 3 inches. Let's see how that fits in there. Perfect. So then we can take my other little bunny, put him on here. Then I want to get my punch. For my tags. Okay, 2.5 is the size it needs to be. Okay, so we'll take a 1/4 inch off each side. Everything will be all right. Take 1/4 of an inch. Off that side. Take 1/4 of an inch. Off that side. Bang. Should be 2.5. 2 and a little over 1/2. Let's just take another little smidgy. Where is the... Hello? Where did my blade go? What just happened? What is happening with my life? That was weird. We'll just do it this way. Will it be straight? We don't know. We'll try. Let's just mark it. Cut it. Call it a day. Okay. Now we can take our 2.5 inch or whatever we have. Closest we have. And make a little tag. It's so fun. So then we can take some ribbon and tie it around there. Let's take this piece. Tie it around there. Cut these down a little bit. Okay, battery died right in the middle of that. So now I have this little tag. Person can write on the back or whatever. And you put him down in there, like that. I could do a better job of cutting my envelope. You can, and there you go. You have a cute little Easter card with a hidden pocket and a little bunny. And then you can just write whatever you want. Happy Easter 2026. Alright guys, that's it. That's it for my Makeup Wednesday craft with me for hopping into spring. Again, I will link Rosie's channel in the description code. I will also have it on the screen. I hope that you've gone over and checked out her channel. Think about subscribing. That'd be great. And I'll see you again in the craft room real soon. Bye.